Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and change your display name on Zoom? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I'm already in a meeting. If you're not, you can simply go ahead and open your Zoom application, host a meeting, or even just join a meeting. So when you host a meeting, you can do whatever you want because you're going to have all the permissions in the world. But if you're joining someone else's meeting, then make sure that you have the permission to change your name in order to go ahead and do so. And all you need to do is just right click on your profile, click on rename, and then you can just rename yourself. Or you could also go back to the Zoom application right over here, go ahead and click here, click on the settings tab, and then all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for your personal name. So as you can see, I can just go to my account, go to edit my profile and change my name. But the best way for you to go ahead and do it is going to be inside of the meeting, where you can just simply go ahead and click on rename and then name it whatever you want. Click on change and there you go. It's going to be changed just like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.